Two Ram 5.7 Hemi trucks came into my shop with almost the same mileage, almost the same use, and almost the same maintenance history. One owner stayed with regular full synthetic oil every single interval because that is what he trusted. The other owner switched to high mileage oil once his Hemi started showing a little seepage and using more oil between changes. We tracked both trucks over 100,000 miles, and the result was not what most people in the oil aisle want to hear. One oil kept the engine cleaner, the other helped slow down the signs of age. So the clear winner depends on one simple question: is your Hemi still healthy and tight, or is it already starting to leak, seep, and consume oil? I am Buck, 12 years as a Mopar dealer tech, and today I am breaking down what happened when we ran full synthetic versus high mileage oil in two Ram 5.7 Hemis for 100,000 miles. I will explain what each oil actually does, what we saw inside the engines, and when switching to high mileage oil makes sense. If you own a Ram and want more Hemi oil advice, lifter failure prevention, cheap fixes, and real-world maintenance tests, hit the like button and subscribe while you are here. This channel is for Ram owners who want to protect the truck before a small problem becomes a big repair. First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. High mileage oil is not just normal oil with a different label. It is made for older engines that have seals starting to harden, shrink, or seep. Most high mileage oils contain seal conditioners that help soften and swell aging rubber seals slightly. That can slow small leaks around valve cover gaskets, timing cover areas, oil pan gaskets, and sometimes rear main seepage if it is still minor. Full synthetic oil is built around consistency, cleanliness, heat resistance, cold start flow, and long-term protection. It is the oil I like in a healthy engine because it keeps deposits down, handles temperature swings well, and protects better under normal service when changed on time. That is why this test matters. These two oils are not trying to solve the same problem. Full synthetic is the better choice for keeping a healthy engine clean. High mileage oil is more of a defensive move for an engine that is already showing signs of age. The first Ram stayed on full synthetic the whole time. This truck had a strong maintenance history, no major leaks, no heavy oil consumption, and no ugly cold start noise beyond normal Hemi sounds. The owner changed oil around every 5,000 miles, used a quality filter, and did not stretch intervals just because the oil bottle said it could go longer. At 100,000 miles of tracking, this engine was the cleaner of the two. The valve train area looked better, varnish was lighter, and there was less sludge buildup than I usually see in neglected Hemis. Oil pressure stayed stable, cold starts were clean, and oil consumption stayed normal. It did not look brand new inside, because no working truck engine does after that kind of mileage, but it looked like an engine that had been protected properly. That is what full synthetic does best. It does not perform miracles. It simply keeps the engine cleaner and more stable over time when the owner does not abuse the interval. If this kind of Ram breakdown is helping you, hit subscribe now. I make videos like this so owners stop guessing with oil and start choosing based on what the engine actually needs. The second Ram started on full synthetic too, but around higher mileage it began showing the typical aging engine signs. There was a little oil seepage, a faint hot oil smell after longer drives, and the owner had started adding more oil between changes than he used to. Nothing dramatic, no puddles under the truck, no smoke cloud behind it, and no reason to tear the engine apart yet. But it was enough to say the seals were not as tight as they used to be. That is when we switched it to high mileage oil. After a few intervals, the seepage slowed down. The hot oil smell was not as noticeable. Oil consumption dropped enough that the owner noticed it without me even asking. That does not mean the oil fixed a broken gasket. It did not repair metal. It did not rebuild the engine. What it did was help old seals behave better, and that is exactly what high mileage oil is designed to do. But there was a trade-off. When we inspected that engine later, it was not quite as clean inside as the truck that stayed on full synthetic. There was slightly more varnish and deposit buildup. It was not destroyed, and I would not call it a failure, but the difference was visible. The full synthetic truck looked healthier from a cleanliness standpoint. That is why I do not tell every Ram owner to switch to high mileage oil just because the odometer hits 100,000 miles. Mileage alone is not the reason to switch. Condition is the reason to switch. If your 5.7 Hemi has 120,000 miles but stays dry underneath, does not use much oil, has stable oil pressure, starts clean, and has no seepage, I would keep running a quality full synthetic oil that matches your owner's manual and your driving conditions. There is no reason to add a seal conditioning oil to an engine that does not need seal help yet. But if your Hemi has started seeping around gaskets, leaving small spots, smelling like hot oil after highway driving, or using more oil than it used to, high mileage oil starts making sense. That is the kind of engine it was built for. Now let's talk about lifters, because this is where Ram owners get serious. The 5.7 Hemi is sensitive to oil quality because the lifters, camshaft, MDS system on equipped trucks, and oil passages all depend on clean oil. If the oil is dirty, too old, too low, or paired with a cheap filter, the risk goes up. High mileage oil does not magically prevent Hemi lifter failure. Full synthetic does not guarantee you will never lose a cam. The oil type matters, but the interval and filter matter just as much. A good full synthetic changed every 5,000 miles is better than expensive oil stretched to 8 or 10,000 miles in a truck that idles, tows, and short trips all week. For normal use, 5,000 miles is my ceiling on a 5.7 Hemi. If the truck tows, idles a lot, does short trips, runs in heat, or works hard, 3,500 to 4,000 miles is smarter. That rule applies whether you run full synthetic or high mileage oil. The filter matters too. Do not protect a Hemi with good oil and a bargain bin filter. You want a quality filter with good flow, good filtration, and a good anti-drain back valve. Because cold starts are one of the times the engine needs oil control most. Saving $5 on a filter while risking a cam and lifter job makes no sense. Now let's talk about cost, because most owners decide with a receipt in their hand. High mileage oil can cost a little more or about the same depending on brand. Full synthetic can also vary a lot, but over 100,000 miles, the real cost difference was not huge because both trucks still needed regular oil changes. The bigger difference was what each oil prevented. The full synthetic truck saved money by staying cleaner and avoiding oil-related problems. The high mileage truck saved money by slowing seepage that could have turned into gasket work sooner. One saved by preventing deposits, the other saved by helping aging seals. That is why I call this a clear winner, but not the same winner for every Ram. If the engine is healthy, full synthetic wins. If the engine is aging, seeping, or starting to consume oil, high mileage oil can become the smarter choice. That is the part most oil debates miss. People argue like one bottle has to beat the other in every engine, but that is not how engines age. A tight Hemi at 100,000 miles and a seeping Hemi at 180,000 miles do not need the exact same strategy. If you switch too early, you may not gain anything. If you wait too long after the leaks get worse, high mileage oil may not be enough. Seal conditioners can help minor seepage, but they cannot fix a torn gasket, a cracked cover, a bad rear main leak, or an engine with serious oil consumption from worn rings or mechanical damage. So here's how I would decide. If your Ram is dry underneath, oil level stays stable, and the engine is quiet, keep running a quality full synthetic at a smart interval. Do not change just because the odometer says high mileage. If your Ram has small seepage, a faint oil smell, or consumption that has slowly increased, switch to a quality high mileage full synthetic and tighten the interval. Give it a couple of oil changes to show results. If the leak keeps getting worse, stop hoping the oil will fix it and repair the gasket. If your Ram has a lifter tick, misfire, metal in the oil, or low oil pressure, oil choice is not the repair. Diagnose the engine. Do not pour in high mileage oil and pretend a mechanical problem disappeared. That is the honest answer after tracking both trucks. Full synthetic gave us the cleaner engine and the best long-term deposit control. High mileage oil gave us better seal behavior and lower oil consumption on the truck that actually needed it. The clear winner for a healthy 5.7 Hemi is full synthetic. The clear winner for an aging Hemi with minor seepage or consumption is high mileage oil. What you should not do is use either one as an excuse to stretch intervals. The 5.7 Hemi does not care how expensive the bottle was if you leave it in too long. Clean oil at the right interval beats fancy oil used wrong every time. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe before you leave. I cover Ram Hemi oil tests, lifter failure warnings, MDS issues, cheap fixes, dealer shortcuts, and maintenance habits that can save owners thousands. Drop a comment with your Ram's year, mileage, oil type, and whether it leaks or burns any oil. I want to see who should stay full synthetic and who should switch to high mileage. I will see you in the next one.